Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Stuart Victor Echo 9 Charlie Foxtrot, and in this video, we're going to touch on some classics. So welcome back to the channel, everyone. I'm Stuart Victor Echo 9 Charlie Foxtrot, and welcome to Inside the Shack today. So in this edition of our videos here on YouTube, I want to show you another side of my radio hobby that I haven't really advertised too much yet. So one of the things that I like to do is collect model or vintage radios off of from either Facebook Marketplace or liquidators around Moncton here. And we got this nice big Philco stand-up radio right here that I actually haven't tested this one yet to see if it works. I don't even know how much we paid for it, but probably on like 50 bucks probably. We also have this Helicrafters model S380 up here. Again, I haven't tested that yet. That looks like it looks like it's a shortwave receiver. We have this Philips radio here. It's a shortwave receiver. It is the model. It's a Philips model. It's a Philips radio shortwave receiver made in Holland. And we also have this General Electric TF200, and that was another AM/FM radio. So all of these radios, we don't know if they all work yet, but we make a habit of collecting these antique or vintage radios, and then just keep them in the shack here on display. I know I've probably got a couple others kicking around here, but as we slowly build up the shack, we'll get these vintage radios out, and we'll get them all tested and see if they actually all work. We do have some in the house as well, for furniture. Anyway. Just wanted to show you another side of my my hobby that I enjoy. And by the way, Asheville, do these actually work? Well, let's see. Let's turn on the General Electric TF200 and see if this works.
Ain't pretty, she just looks that way. She ain't pretty, she just looks that way.
Too much of that because we don't want to get a copyright strike. Anyway, yeah, we got the Philips radio here. We got this Helicrafters Model S 38B. Yes, 38B. Gee, my eyesight's not that good anymore. And the old General Electric and the stand-up Philco radio here. All right, I'm Stuart Victor Echo 9 Charlie Foxtrot. I want to show you another side of my radio hobby that I really haven't talked much about yet. See you later, everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.